First of all, very good morning, sir. I'm really glad and appreciate like you have taken your time and initiative to join the interview process with College Dunia.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for inviting me for this interview.
Okay. So I'm Hitesh Sharma, sir. I'm the senior manager working in College Dunia from Chennai head office. So, sir, we'll start with a brief introduction and then I'll start asking the questions, sir. You can please continue.
Sure, sir.
You can tell about yourself, your experience. Yeah.
Okay. Myself, Dr. V. Anbalagan, working as principal of Vinayaga Missions Kirubananda Variyar Arts and Science College. I have completed BSc Chemistry at University of Madras during 97 and MSc Chemistry from Periyar University during the year 2000. Then I have completed PhD in Chemistry from Bharathidasan University. During my tenure, I have selected as a Junior Research Fellow and Senior Research Fellow sponsored by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. After that, I went to postdoctoral research for Taiwan, National Chao Tang University, where I have done my postdoctoral research. Finally, I have joined as an assistant professor in Vinayaga Mission Kirubananda Variyar Engineering College. There, then I promoted as associate professor and professor. Now I am working as a principal of Vinayaga Mission Kirubananda Variyar Arts and Science College. Having 15 years of experience in teaching and research, I can do still much better for the betterment of students.
That's really great, sir. So, sir, what are the best practice you offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Yes, sir. Actually, our VMKV Arts and Science College is offering courses in arts and science like BA, BSc, BCom, and MA, MSc, MCom, etc. In this aspect, the first initiative that we have taken is UGC has come out with a great initiative called Learning Outcome-Based Curriculum Framework. That is, every student should understand why the student is studying that particular course. For example, a student is studying BSc Computer Science, you should first understand why he is studying that course. This is a great initiative developed by University Grants Commission, which is the autonomous body and controlling authority of higher education system in our India. So that learning outcome-based curriculum framework is implemented in our institution for the past 3 years. So that bring very vast knowledge among the students. So that helps the employability. It is a first initiative that we have taken. Apart from this, in general, we are regularly providing some soft skill to the students, and based on the departments, if the students belongs to commerce department, we provide soft skill aptitude as well as some commerce tools like Tally. Apart from this, if you take computer science, we again providing soft skill is very, very important skill for every student, whether he looking for higher education or looking for placement. The soft skill is very, very important even in our basic life also.
Okay.
So we provide soft skill, aptitude skill, and technical skill also.
Okay.
So it also helps employability, and some students are going for most of the students are going for higher studies. That we are providing. In addition to that, very importantly, we are providing coaching for TNPC and TRB examinations in our campus. That is very, very important in the current scenario. The students who are looking for government employment. It is a great initiative which is offered by our institutions.
Okay. That's great, sir. But if you see in this current competitive world, okay, there are so many, like competition is so high in the outside world. So how do you help your students to cope up with that?
Sir, yeah, it is a really fantastic question. Actually, we are one of the premier institute in the aspect of research and development. We have collaboration with international universities like Kingshan National University, South Korea, and Srilankan University, Thailand. We have some MOUs also with them. We are regularly conducting conferences, international conferences. The people from South Korea and Thailand, they are coming here and they are conducting classes for our students, and our students are going to that university for as a internship and short-term project like that. In that way, our students, we are making the students to become more competitive in the world. In addition to that, we are providing some value-added courses for the students that helps the students to become an excellent personality in their life.
Okay, that's great, sir. So, do you have any extra curriculum activities or program to ensure the skills of the students or expose them to real world challenges?
Yes, sir. Actually, most of the students they are looking for government, especially state government employment. For that, every year, minimum 30 to 40 students they are going in the uniform service. They are clearing uniform service. Why? Because the coaching or training which we are conducting in addition to our curriculum in the regular timings, we are conducting coaching and training for the students so that they are getting placement in the government employment. In addition to that, we are regularly conducting some value-added courses in which yoga and meditation is the one of the most important value-added course that we are providing for improving their mental ability. That is very important and need of the hour. It helps the students in exploring the outer world and they can control their inner minds, etc.
Okay, that's great. So, sir, what valuable advice would you like to give to the student, okay, for them to have a
Actually,
prosperous career ahead?
yes, it is very tough for everyone to give the advice for students. Normally, what we during the induction program, once students enters into the college life, we will be conducting 15 days orientation. How we should they should understand the transformation from school education to college education. In that aspect, we are conducting 15 days induction program. In that induction program, we are continuously providing some advice to the students like work on your time management skill. That is very important skill each and every individual should have. Then they should develop their passions and resilience. Then they should build a good continuous study in their life till the end of our life. We should continuously study. This kind of small advice we continuously providing to the students.
Okay. Sir, you hold the key position at the Education Institute as a principal. You have 15 years of experience. So, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
So normally, if we sustain in the education sector, we should have updated knowledge in our subject. That is a very important aspect. Every leader or individual should have. In that aspect, if we take research and development, we should continuously work on some sort of research, so that keeps and in live in our career. Otherwise, we will be outdated. Publication and international collaboration and conducting various international conferences and seminars by inviting reputed person from premier industries and premier institution of national importance, etc. That will definitely help us to keep alive in their career. In addition to that, I have been as a virtual lab coordinator. Virtual lab is a project initiated by our government of India. For example, if a student wants to do one particular experiment in chemistry, he has to go to lab till opening lab, he has to wait. So in order to avoid that barrier, government of India has initiated project called virtual lab, where they can do the experiment virtually. If you take burette, they can do it by virtually. It's a fantastic. For example, if you take a particular material, if you want to measure a weight of particular material in the earth, that we can do. If you want to measure the same weight in the other planets like Saturn or Moon, it is not possible. But virtually it is possible. So in that merit, virtual labs are very important. I have been the nodal coordinator. I am happy with that. In addition to that, for framing curriculum and syllabus for the students, I have been the member of chairman of board of studies for the faculty of science. In that aspect, I am very happy with connecting the students and the world.
Okay, a last question, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any suggestions, sir, which you like to give the current youth and aspiring students?
I would like to give only two suggestions that I would like to give. Be curious about everything. Whatever they see, they should be very curious on that. Because whenever we go, we should have some innovative thought process. we should find some problem in each and every aspect. Then only we should do something innovatively. Students should be different, think differently. That is the only suggestions for the young aspirants, because nowadays students wants to become an entrepreneur. Their entrepreneurial attitude is very important for each and every individual. In that way, if they want to become entrepreneur, they should think differently. They should be curious on every aspect. That is the two advice I would like to give.
Sure. Sir, thank you so much for your valuable time. Okay. I get to know about your experience, your role as a principal, and about your college as well. How the international offerings which you provide to ensure the students are getting engaged and have a good experience.